All right, guys. So welcome to the page. Like I said, you're gonna learn how to flip $27 into $100 per day via Cash App. Just want to show you guys some Cash App proof. These are $27 payments that have came in. I took it back all the way to May. That's when I first started. But as you can see, $27 payments that continue to come in to my Cash App here. It's a very simple program. I've signed up, I think, probably now about 70 people, a little bit over 70 people. I've made over $1,800 strictly with this system. It's easy. It's a system that pretty much teaches you how to capitalize on mobile apps. As you can see here, you see $27 payments that are coming in. Guys, it's so simple. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to post on your Facebook or however you want to advertise to start bringing in traffic right away. But again, if you're looking to make some money simply by inviting people to the Cash App system, you don't have to have Cash App right now. You can download it. And then what happens is we'll show you step by step as far as how to get started so you can start receiving those Cash App payments. Again, we'll give you training, get you added to the Facebook group. But if you can simply, follow step-by-step instructions, we can show you how to get started with Cash App. As you can see here, this was the 20th. Let's see here. This is the 20th of May. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 payments, 7, 8. 9 payments that came in on one day, guys. So you do the math. These payments add up. You can get paid instantly to your Cash App. Again, we're going to give you the training and support that you need to start getting more income. And you can see they still come in here, $27. As you can see, 27, 27, 27. So these are actual people who have got the Cash App system, and everyone's doing well, guys. They're literally getting people 27, getting people literally within their first maybe 30 minutes of signing up. We're going to get you trained, 27, show you how to start bringing people into the business right away, to show you how to get started. So again, this assistant is going to teach you how to capitalize on mobile apps. And also while you're capitalizing, you're also getting paid. $27 commissions over and over again. You only pay a one-time $27 to continue to get paid $27 over and over again with this Cash App system. So I just want to show you some proof. The system is real. It's easy. It's simple. Anyone can do it. All you're doing is posting the advertisements that we tell you to post, and you can start making those $27 commissions right away. Like I said, most making their first $27 within the first literally 30 minutes of joining, because we get you trained and added to the Facebook group right away, guys. So I will see you on the inside. If you have any questions, get with me. If not, go ahead and click the link below and let's go to the next step.